Hello everybody, Elegant Melon here, and in case you can't tell, I've also got my sidekick Bean. Can you... Now I don't. And today we have more Gravity albums. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. This is more and more. But no, I've thought of... God damn it, Bean. You just made me stab myself. I mean, luckily I didn't stab myself hard, but yeah, no. It's still a frigging knife. And a pointy bit of it went in my hand a little bit. Okay. Here we go. Why do they do this? Why? Like, seriously, why? And I'll deal with the posters later. So, I hate everything right now. So how is everybody doing? In case you haven't heard yet, Black Lives Matter, and yeah. I have, like, literally nothing of a platform, so, but I'm just gonna throw that out there. Use what little bit of a platform I have. And also, like, the whole BTS, donating $1 million. Holy fuck. Although a friend of mine posted about that, and then she went ahead and started listening to BTS, so I'm like, okay, here's a playlist I got from somebody else. Here you go. She's like, okay, cool. And I mean, she's in her 40s, I believe. I can't believe I actually got pre-order cards. These are freaking beautiful. No, everybody, you don't have to stick to Sana. So it's like, okay, here's a BTS playlist I got from somebody. Here you go. I listened to it the other day and melted my brain and couldn't remember what planet I was from. So, here you go. Go forth, listen to BTS. Like, when I went and was listening to BTS, like, after that, I went and, I was like, let's look up profiles for BTS, because, like, I know nothing about them. Other than they exist. So I was like, okay, I looked them up and was looking up ages, and I came across, like, I came across Jin's ideal woman, which was, like, looks and acts like a puppy, and something about being able to cook for him and take care of him, and, okay, let me throw out there that I have a really terrible sense of humor, in case you haven't already figured this out. And I'm just like, I was like joking with my brother-in-law, and I was just like, I'll take good care of him, ayo. And then my brother-in-law's like, okay, that's the way it is. And I'm like, literally not. If you, like, gave me the members of BTS in a picture, I could not tell you who any of them are except for Namjoon, and that's only because Kev. But so, yeah, me making bad jokes means nobody. Me being me, nobody believes me. Not that I blame them. Let's see. Grab chair. The shit, did they, like, use industrial fortified plastic? Like, what the hell? Okay, I got Nyan CD plate. I can't say if that is, like, a habit or what, because I literally only, like, I have this album and, What is Love? So, okay, got Nyan, Chaeyoung and Chewy, Momo, and Chaeyoung. Diane. Is that Diane? I think that's Diane. I'm half awake. Leave me alone. Geo. Okay, that's Diane. That's for sure Diane. And then the more card. Ah! Okay. Put that over there. So, yeah. I just didn't bother looking through that. I mean, to be fair, like, everybody else, there's a lot of unboxers who already got theirs, and they did do that. So, I got Jungyeon! Yay! Okay, let's see. What did I get for cards? That's a pretty picture. And that's like one of my... I really like Make Me Go. So we have Diane! Yay! And Diane. Yeah, that's Diane. That's a duplicate too. Jungyeon. Chewy. Yeah, pretty sure that's Chewy. Sana. And uh I could but yeah, so I can't tell if I normally get Nyan CD plates a lot because I literally own the More and More album, all 3 copies of it, and all 3 versions of it, and both versions of What Is Love. So it's like, I don't know. And I got Momo! Okay, and I got Momo. Okay. Diane and Gio. Chewy, Momo, Jungyeon. Awesome. I have no idea how why is this? Why is this happening? Okay, so ones that I will be trading. Those. Okay, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. This actually isn't that bad of a trade ratio. I got a 7. Oh, shoot. I got double. So I got 6 that I'm not trading, and then 9 that I am. So awesome. And then I just need Jungyeon's coaster because, yeah. Anyway, I have been an elegant melon. I will see you in my next video. Bye.